Strawberries. What do you see? Oranges. Potato. Apple. Bring it out, Benji? Are you gonna pour some espresso in there? Into the apple?
Good afternoon, everyone. In 5 minutes' time at 1 o'clock, we will be conducting our tour of the pumping station. This is your chance to travel through time and see how the pumping station once operated. The tour takes approximately 45 minutes. If you are interested, please come to the information desk in the main foyer to meet your guide. Just repeating, the pumping station tour will be departing from the main foyer in 5 minutes' time.